Hindi, may titi kayo lahat eh. Lugi.
Uy!
Uy,
Uy!
uy,
Uy, uy, uy.
Hindi mo alam, may titi din yun.
Wow, wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
Baka may titi din yun.
balik ko din itong outpost dito mo.
Ito.
Pero nasa na yung kalaban natin?
Unti-unti na pumapasok IE. Dito sa southwest.
Sige, sige. Yeah, Death Tank spill, rotate your skills. Then, if they're about to engage, I need one to Guardian Armor it.
Uy, uy, may na-OC break.
Botang ina.
akin
Ay,
yan.
di, nag-change gear lang. Nag-GA. Tingnan mo. Botang ina. Nag-GA lang.
Kailangan ko yung arbak. Kailangan ko yung arbak. Natanggal OC ng ano ko.
Lagi ka,
Weapon
Bendy.
ko nga pala.
Pwede mo na may OC ulit yan eh.
Hindi mo kailangan ng extra OC ulit para mag-re-OC.
Come to me, come to me. Nasaan na yung isa, yung hounds? Come natin siya.
Botang ina. Daming kalaban, boss. 3 guild pa nagla-launch. Yung wildcards din.
Come to me. Hindi puta na,
Sa inyo.
sapakan bukas 06.
Botang ina. Good content bukas.
Isoy versus all? Nako po.
Botang ina. Nag-declare daw hound. Sige lang. Tangay na, pag si Domain yung shot call po, tangay na, tatash token ka yan.
Achievement daw to, Mogi.
Level
Maglano
4
ako.
sila.
Yan ang sabi mo ano, pengi.
Paglalaban ako ng walang armor.
Gedli ka lang, boss, Gedli.
Come northwest, come northwest.
Lalabas
Holding
mo
pa
na.
rin sila dito. Oh lol, baka makatch nyo ako.
Brawler, may brawler tong hounds ah. Ano, start? Start na ako mangkumag, kagaya ng ginawa nila. Come southwest.
GG.
Kunin ko na to.
Yo, punta ka sa akin, Gcash.
Hindi, on the way.
Dismount ka dyan.
Huliin mo yan, Gcash ha.
Ang tagal.
Buko-buko naman doon.
Ano ba yan?
Ito yan.
Lol daw oh. Lol.
Kamak. Huwag kayo mag-stick dyan. Ang bagal. Saan na yung hounds?
Di ako maka-arbak. Bullshit itong may nang bubutot pa tayo sa passage.
Alam mo, weapon na lang meron ka dyan. Mag-slash suicide ka na lang.
Par, DA mo
may
yan. Sa
armor
DA
ako.
yan, sa DA.
Ano tayo na?
Pupulot
tayo
ako
na,
dyan,
inaantay.
tingnan mo.
Doon
23.
dito pala sa IE nyo.
Gano'ng kalaki sila dyan?
Gagi,
Mamaya-
nagpapagising pa yan, Mugi.
Oh, mamaya nag-full mass talaga yan. Tapos mamaya 20% na yan.
40 yan, 40.
Nag-zone ng ano yung IE? Ng step.
Hindi. What do you
Yung
mean
slash die ko, mas mahal pa yung wolf na mawawala sa akin.
Hindi, trade mo na lang sa tao dito.
Umuwi ka na muna. Habang laban-laban.
Trade mo kay Excelsior, dali. Tapos mag-suicide ka na.
Tapos mag-horse ka pabalik.
Oh,
Tulong mo na lang.
ayaw mo ata eh.
May inaantay lang daw. Ano yung 20? 20 ba inaantay nila?
Oh, tanga na.
Inaantay lang nila yung OC break natin.
Kaya nga eh.
Okay lang yan. Kunin natin outpost.
Logi sa mga to, tas 1 minute content, taka double OC, dad damn. Dito na yung hounds. Hounds dito sa ano? Northeast.
Okay. You expect ka 1v2. Ha? Come to me.
Mas masarap pag 1v2, di ba? Mas masarap pag dalawang babae, di ba?
Eh na, magkakaspek ata. Locos ko nito.
Ilang gauge 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. May nawala isa sa party ko.
Ako yan. Nagbubukas ang wish. Ay, bumukas eh.
Hindi, ano muna, dismount ka muna.
Di na bubukas ng ano ngayon yan? Ng nakamount?
Hindi.
Hindi na.
Tagal naman nila.
Most likely si Hounds yan.
Alas naman yun. Di double OC kasi nagpalit nga pala ang weapon.
Yeah, everyone come to me.
Yo, nag-zone na yung ano.
Everyone come to me. Follow. Gemma, wake up.
Unping yung dulo ng ano. Yung uso nila.
Yo, food up. Keep coming. Ikot tong hounds ba? Pag umikot sila. Pa-follow si hounds. Yung hounds i-follow mo.
Yeah, sige.
Isa nga sa south side ko.
On the way ako dito sa Horns.
Alright, come southeast. Come south. You look at southeast, okay? Step up. Southeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on this guy. Kill this guy. Keep walking north. Catch him. Huwag niya na patakasin. Catch him. Kill him. Life crush siya. Importanting role niya. Okay? Okay, come back north. Walk north. Follow. Fast. Ang bagal nyo. Come north. Follow the crown. Just follow the crown. Huwag kayong pumunta ng iba-iba kung anong direction. Come north. You ready, ah?
Tapos mounted ay isa na.
Yeah, keep coming. Keep walking northwest. Come southeast. We're gonna turn southeast here. Keep walking. Come back north. Northeast. This mountain na to. Keep coming northeast na. Keep coming. So, everyone, come northeast. Yeah, everyone, get ready. We're gonna turn west fast. West side. Fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Okay, come back. Keep coming east.
May nag-rotate.
Walking southeast. Just walk southeast. Walk southeast. Left tank, look at the northeast side. Left tank, look at the northeast side. Keep walking east. Cleanses. Okay? Ready. Defend west. Heal up. Come southeast. Walk through them. Find me. Walk through them. North side. 5. North side. 4, 3, 2, 1. North side. Only. Come southeast. Left tank peel. Come east. Peel. Come east fast. Huwag kayong maiwan, please. Huwag kayong mag-loot. Wala akong payo sa loot. Come back. Ready. Defend now. Oh, nice. Walk northeast first. Heal ako yun na. Come northeast. Come northeast. Bagal nyo. Come northeast.
May nag-rap around north.
Come southeast. Yo, healers, stop looting. Just follow. Come southeast, fast.
Hindi mo dyan ka nga, dito ako sa queue.
Yo, ready fast, ah. Yo, you ready? I'm gonna fake. I'm faking only. Oh, do. Yo, spread. Walk out into them. Keep walking. Look at hounds. Ready defenses. Keep walking. Ready your pots here. Keep walking. Yo, popper pots, everything counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full counter on me. Now keep walking south. Walk south. Hold the east side. Defend on the east side. Help Claro. Come south. Help Claro. Come south. Keep coming south. Keep coming southeast. Yo, keep coming southeast. Yo, get ready. Keep walking southeast. Keep walking south. Yo, get ready. Look at north. We're gonna turn. Look at north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Now come back south. It's okay. Come back south. Yo, come back south. Left down peel. Come south. Malayo sila. Come southwest. Keep coming. 8 seconds. Give me 8 seconds. Keep coming. We're gonna turn 5 seconds. Ready defense at the back. Ready. Turn. Yo, turn. Northeast. Walk in now. Walking into them. You're walking into them. Ready your potions here. Ready, full defend, counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full counter on me, full counter on me, full counter on me. Then walk through, walk through. Sige, keep walking through. Walk through. Come northeast here. Northeast here. Yo, they have engaged. Ready defenses. Spread northeast side. Spread northeast side. Yeah. Look at west side. West side. 5, west side. 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Then spread again. Full defend front. Come east. Heal Obi. Come east. Obi east, man. East. Bakit ka pumunta sa west? Come east. You're gear fast. Ba't ka pumunta sa west? Come east. Keep walking. Keep walking northeast. You're ready to counter. Keep walking northeast. Defenses do better. Keep coming. Walk through the choke southeast. Ready defenses. Walk through, guys. Walk through. Heal the front. Keep walking. Counter. Get ready, Everything, get ready. On the choke. Hold. Keep walking. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Then come back. Pull back southeast. Pull back east. Keep pulling east. Keep pulling east. Okay. Yo, spread now. Walk south. Walk west. Spread now. Walk west. Find me. DPS, find me. Spread now. Walk into west. Spread. Ready? Defend north. You ready? Look at me. Everything on top of me. Get ready. 5, 4. Wait. Come
May
south.
one turn away, northeast.
Come south. Kikami south ng Terry. Yo, ready? Poppy potions, Kikami south. Poppy pots. Counter shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Oh, come southeast. Yo, ready defenses here. Come southeast. Defend now. Heal up the back. Come southeast.
Move na sa Terry sila, northeast ng Terry.
Come southeast.
Sa loob.
Yeah, ready. Stop the northeast. Keep coming. Yo, listen. Turn northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Walk through northeast. Defend on me. Keep walking through. Walk to northeast. Walk into them. No fear. Walk into them. Ang bagal na readers ko. Walk into them. Keep walking east. Walk east, man. Don't stop. How is my backline getting crapped, man? Ang bagal nyo! Walk through. Come southeast. Follow. Turn north. Get ready. Northwest. Counter. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back. Wait, I'm gonna wait for my gears. You gear fast.
Ay, gilukin.
Sige lang. Heal the front lang. Keep coming. Sige lang. Ready, defense on me. Defense now. Good. Step up. Southwest on me. Get ready. Heal node. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Then spread. Come back northeast. You regear from portal. Come on. You just have to take invis. Faster. Spread northeast side. Hold. Step up. Find me. West side. Look at me. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back. You're ready potions. Ready defenses. They're looking. Ready full defend here. Ready full defend. Okay, ready. Full defend now. Nice defenses. Okay, heal up. Heal up kay Recta. Walk in west. Left knock. Hold that. Look at me. Everything on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Kamakised. Keep coming east. They miss. Nasaan yung queue? Come south. Southeast. Just follow. North side. We're gonna turn north side. 5, shallow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Ay, come back south. Southeast. Sige. Come south. Yo, shit, I know how to macro this shit, man. You just have to follow. Ang bagal nyo sumunod, okay? Just follow. Come southeast.
Ito, sila. Head. Northeast, Mugi.
Yeah. Ready defenses, okay? Yo, everyone step up. Counter northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full counter northeast. Step in north. You have to step in north. They have no engage. Step in north. Step in north. Man. Step in. What the fuck does step in mean? Okay? Then spread. The ready defenses here. Good GA. Spread. Ready defenses. We're gonna counter. Get ready. Wait. Defend now. Counter. 5, south. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full counter. Nice, man. Nice. Now come back north. Yo, kill these people inside. The low people inside. Kill these guys. Kill these low people inside. Yeah, fucking retards, huh? Kill these people inside. Yo, they're gonna turn soon, okay? Keep walking southeast. Yo, they're gonna turn soon. Ready? Defend now. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full counter on me. Nice.
Oh my god.
Keep walking. Alright, come northeast. Where's sounds? Come northeast. Where's sounds? Come north. Northwest. Come northwest. We look at hounds now. Yo, come
Lugin sila.
Kamis. Ready defenses. Left ng soldier northeast. Okay? Come northeast. Ready defenses. Come northeast.
Makit sila.
Come northeast pa. Northwest. Uphill. Ready? Defend now. Heal me. Nice. Keep walking uphill. Yo, look at south. Get ready. Cleanse on me. Southside. 5. Southside 4, 3, 2, 1. Southside on me. Nice. Now come back north. Okay. Hold north side. Ready? They're looking. Defend now. Full defend. Heal me. I'm dead. Come back.
Northeast. Come north. Keep going north. Hold, boys. Hold here. I keep going northwest. Keep going northwest. Heal my front. Hold. Keep going northwest. Now look south now. Come southeast. Hold. Come southeast. Hold. Come northwest. Hold. They're gonna spread here. Spread. They're gonna push in. Spread, boys. Spread. Wrap around their backline. Spread. Look at their backline now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the backline. Now come north. Spread. Come north and spread. Spread. Come spread west. West is safe. Spread. Keep spreading. West is safe. Hold. 5 seconds to engage. Spread first, boys. Spread. Don't push in. Spread. We're gonna go counter. Come south. Look south now. On the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the stairs now. Everything on the stairs. Nice one. Come northwest. Don't push in. Hold, boys. Hold. Roll the lows. Roll yung mga naiwan. Hold. Roll yung mga naiwan. Don't push in. They're gonna look now. Hold. They're gonna look now. Don't push. They're gonna look now. Don't push. Hold. Prepare, bros. Prepare. Hold, boys. Hold.
There
Hold.
There
We're gonna go for a counter. Come southeast. Ready potions. Come southeast. Push them. Running. Follow them. Running. Kill them. Follow them. Kill Eggy. Putang inang Eggy yan. Patayin nyo yan. Nice one. Easy.
Loot guys.
May bamba. Cheer. Naka ano.
Sige lang.
Mga one-shotters yan. Ingat, one-shotters.
Lupit mo, Boss Mugi.
Guys, medyo mabagal kayo sumunod, guys, ha? Huwag kayo matakot sa kalaban.
Natakot kayo sa 2v1, pre. Ay, matakot, pre. Palo lang.
Let's go. Come let's we go back. Dapat good shit loots natin. Southwest.
Baka. Kaso ano tayo eh.
Ang dami na iiwan kanina. Sayang.